Hey human, it's a Monday here quickly. My nugget for today: while you wait, grow. Peace comes from knowing who God is. Dear single sisters, do not let this phase consume you. No be disease, it's a phase. You're single. This season is also an opportunity to grow, heal, and become the kind of wife you pray for. So, be honest about the areas that need work. You know yourself better than anybody. Let God shape you gently. What God has for you will come beautifully and right on time. Alrighty, humans, drop your phones, be productive, and have yourself an absolutely beautiful day. Mwah. I love you.